Are you ready to take control of your financial future? The internet is a powerful equalizer, especially in business. With just a computer, anyone can kickstart a money-making online venture, no technical skills needed. Today, building an online business is easier than ever. The best part? You can choose your workspace, set your schedule, and determine your pace of growth. Plus, you don't need a fortune to get started. Many entrepreneurs have successfully launched online businesses with little to no capital. Let's uncover 5 top strategies for creating an online business with minimal costs. First up, drop shipping. This model allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Here's how it works. You list products on your website or a marketplace like Amazon or eBay. When a customer purchases, you buy the item from a dropshipper, who then ships it directly to the customer. Focus solely on marketing. Your only expense is acquiring customers. However, ensure you find reputable dropshippers. If their service falters, your business reputation suffers. Competition is fierce, so high sales volume is crucial for substantial income. One way to stand out is by private labeling, creating your own brand on dropshipped products. Next is affiliate marketing. Similar to dropshipping, you won't handle physical products. Select a niche and partner with affiliate programs such as ClickBank or Amazon. You'll receive a unique link for products on your site. When someone clicks and purchases, you earn a commission. Your investment goes into driving traffic rather than managing sales or stock. Another option is blogging. If you're passionate about a topic, start a blog with minimal costs. Utilize platforms like Blogger or set up your own website. Create engaging content, how-to guides, lists, insights, whatever draws your audience in. Monetize through Google AdSense, affiliate links, and blog ad networks. Consistent, valuable content attracts readers and search engines alike. Have you tried online videos? YouTube is a prime platform for monetization. Create engaging content in various niches. Enable monetization on your channel, allowing Google Ads in your videos. Grow your audience for sponsorships and opportunities for driving traffic back to your website. Lastly, consider selling information products. Whether it's an ebook, online course, or video series, this low-cost venture allows passive income. Digital products are available anytime, so you can earn while you sleep. To succeed in online business, choose a profitable niche. Stay updated with trends and commonly discussed topics. Remember, you don't have to stick to only one method. Start with one, then expand. This approach diversifies your income and offers stability. Ready to dive into the world of online entrepreneurship? Explore these options today and take your first step toward financial freedom. As you ponder your path ahead, remember that the journey of building an online business is about learning and adapting. Each strategy comes with its unique challenges and rewards, prompting you to explore what resonates best with your skills and interests. Adjusting your approach can help refine your vision, ensuring it aligns with your long-term goals of stability and growth. Embrace the digital landscape, and you'll find opportunities hiding in plain sight. The beauty of this venture lies in its flexibility. You can instantly pivot your strategy based on feedback or results. Don't hesitate to experiment. Test different marketing tactics, engage with your audience, and continuously obtain insights to monitor your progress. Every failure can lead to a breakthrough, igniting innovation and guiding you towards sustainable success. Taking the plunge into online entrepreneurship not only allows for financial independence, but also fosters personal growth. As you navigate this landscape, remember to celebrate small victories along the way, as they pave the path to greater achievements. By leveraging the power of the internet, you're not just opening doors for yourself, you're creating possibilities for others as well. Keep pushing forward, stay resourceful, and never lose sight of your vision, because with dedication and persistence, financial freedom is within your grasp. The online world is brimming with potential, waiting for you to seize it. Embarking on this entrepreneurial journey requires not just courage, but a clear strategy that aligns with your passions. Establishing your brand and connecting with your audience is key. Build relationships based on trust and value. As you delve deeper, be mindful of the metrics that matter, ensuring your efforts translate into tangible results. Adaptation and resilience are your best allies in this ever-evolving landscape. Remain committed, and your online business will not only flourish, but transform lives, including your own. Now is the time to act. Success in this arena requires a solid plan and unwavering commitment to your goals. Remember, every step taken is a step toward your financial future. Embrace the learning process, network with other entrepreneurs, and stay resilient in the face of challenges. Your dreams of independence and stability are within reach, and the world of online business is ready to welcome you with open arms. The adventure awaits, so step forward and carve out your niche in this expansive marketplace. Embarking on this journey entails understanding the dynamics of online engagement. Engage with your audience through social media channels, share insights, answer queries, and create a community around your brand. Your connection with your audience can empower your marketing efforts and bolster sales. Remember, people appreciate authenticity. Be genuine in your interactions, and they will resonate with your message. By building trust, you cultivate a loyal customer base that not only buys, but also recommends your products. This organic growth is invaluable, reinforcing the importance of nurturing relationships in your business strategy. As you explore the digital landscape, stay informed about evolving trends that can enhance your strategies and drive innovation. The possibilities that lie ahead in the digital marketplace are truly remarkable. Every effort you make could resonate widely, connecting you with eager audiences, eager for the next best solution. By harnessing technology and creativity, you're not merely building a business, you're shaping a lasting legacy that transcends traditional boundaries. Take pride in each step of your journey, for every experience molds you into a more adept entrepreneur. Your vision matters, and your determination can transform dreams into reality, leading to unprecedented success in the online realm. Embrace this adventure fully. The horizon is just the beginning. In conclusion, the pursuit of online entrepreneurship is a thrilling adventure, filled with endless possibilities for those ready to take the leap. With commitment, creativity, and a willingness to learn, you can turn your aspirations into reality, ultimately achieving the financial independence you've always desired.